Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Southwest Khas Hills District Kayaking and Canoeing Association haringkat nagajinga trilang bat ka Meghalaya Canoe Association haksian ka Nyngkong kilayo ban Pynlong yaga Kayaking Awareness Camp hawa maupun Mawkyrwat Southwest Khas Hills District. Hagani kasngi kumbasan pongut tam ki samla kentei bat shenrang kilawan ban shimbenta nakabenta ban yo jinghikai hagajinga kop kingling. Uba renik dan lingdo tongkhar kongsan hagani kasngi ulai ka jingaro yaga Southwest Khas Hills District Kayaking Association daga jing start kinoyalam bakilala ban Pynlong kumi kani ka jinghikai kingling bat ungit skam kanlong shisha ka jingmentoi ka bakraw yaki samla. Hagani kasngi le dan lang u Dr. W. Manir Kong Shela Vincent, Secretary MCA, ba HS Dingdo, ba Bakhan Nong Siet, but Kiwi.
Get under the bridge. You warmed up? And we'll go up. They're very unstable. So it takes. See the plastic boat is much slower. See the speed. Fast. Rebecca is drawing the boat around. Drawing it. Okay, stop. Come to try to see what they're doing, okay? And keep out of their way. They've already rolled it. Okay, turn around, come back.
Nakamta kani ka program kanang ru kajing sa jing kanmao nakam
hagari jongi bro oi ngidang danta shabhai kani ka seng jongi kala asdang haboi ha tham ngilai lek cheki we ki district ru ban le trial tangba ndan district hadu menta ki bala seng association ka jingdon kam jong association kani ba unu khna utubit kat ba utubit tangba omla ban le ha national na international klum le langba ka association kata-kata ko dan kam ya man ka district ban sedang ni association jongki ya ganu jing le kai tam kani jongi tinga document shisha baka Southwest Khas Hills ki laya ya chekhamat ban le kani ka banta
ha Kaba pilaisim ban penlot ya ki lak ban ki crores na kalian ka scheme sispa sngi ban pentrei ha kana kawa ban perkelador ban penkeladar ya kene kawa bakan long ka internet haduk katne kumbakalong mata Kaba air kajing kermen ha kaban penek pensa ekari ka ha kabangi I ba mensua hangnel si dontang I jakai ba penlang malumala hanre mentara kajing trei jo ka BSC da kajing trei jitom jo ka song Mawkyrwat pila dikeladur kumne kene ka jaka kaba iterat haduk kata kabala kelalong ka jaka wat petkai jo ka babon balang sai sempat kuble chibon ki bayiran menta bat nga air kajing kuble ya baro ki baju don ka mesim ban pengkiu ban promote ka sports ha kani kadong kathain ke jongi na kamta jong phi ki bani simanta bar ki khna ki baran ki talent young talents that you are looking forward in sports. You have the talents that God has given you. My advice is that be serious, as all the speakers have said. Be serious in your talents that you have and try to increase, to multiply the talents that you have. Ngidakwa aban yu I ban apring yu phi tin sajit namarba ngakwa bari thu iphi kumbala ong iba Stalin menne ba kalong ka shisha ba ka sarkar Meghalaya menta ka phai khmat shaphi ki samla ka phai khmat ki sport persons I minister jongi iknatiyo baldet idon berngi hangne Mawkyrwat idang yathu ba ka budget jong ka sarkar Meghalaya prasnam mensua kadon tang lai po kandai le sau po kurur baro sistem ban perlut na kapita ka sports and youth affairs Pynlong ba menta kane ka sarkar ka bangingi don kadon kumba pras pa kurur na ka sau po kurur mentangi don pras pa kurur ka budget ban perlut na kabanta ka sport and youth affairs na kabanta je pigi samla tidak bersuruh tu harukan no bakane ka sarkar kalong serius but invest je pigi samla but ngisgo tenar ro bari tu epi bakadon kaneka youth policy hakaba na kabanta kini kisamla kibala yo kibala excel ilade banlong kinongjob banyo ekimedal hakan national and international level kidon kiskem kiba kerpang kamtam haka aijam hakaba nakaleng sokar meklea ka omba omdan kamsyu wat ban sim yak interview ro yaki kena kibala excel banyo yaki medal hakan national baki international level lakalong hakano ka discipline you will be getting a direct employment from the government of Meghalaya. That I want to tell you, my dear young talents. So excel yourself in any talent that God has given you. And I wish you get the medal, national and international level. And you will be appointed directly by the government of Meghalaya without facing the interview. State Meghalaya ka jongi. But kani ka seriousness, jonga ka sarkar, ban invest sa piki samla. Baki samla, omday ta bakin kot ta kajila kai Henry la assure yaki bakila ban yo kam sarkar nakadaw yo kajing tibet jong pi ban shimenta haki sports discipline ki babhero pe the season part ngam kwa ban grand slam man ngi kwa ban yo ino kumno kajila kai ban hakane ka awareness ya ka bakin pen I la ngam tip la kane ka pung la kane ka kaya biang em ya kata kajing ya la kai jong pi ini kino payat kitip kamba they know better whether this kind of water is fit for this kind of sports discipline of this water sports but even though it may not be that fit it may not be suitable but whatever you can play in this water today it will be a great opportunity for us to see and we will learn from here from